Welcome to Big Daddy Storytime. We're reading Sesame Street's Elmo and Friends Storybook Treasury. Let's eat. Look at Cookie Monster. Can you see Cookie Monster there? Great job, my friends. Would you like to read a story about Cookie Monster? You would? Okay, let's get started. Me want to cook a dinner. Me need some help from you. Let's send the invitation, says Cookie Monster. Then lots more stuff to do. Okay, first we look at recipes. Then we make a list. Check it over very carefully, says Cookie Monster. Anything we missed? Okay, next we shop for groceries. Lots of things to buy, says Cookie Monster. Lots of great, wonderful things. Can't forget the pumpkin, so we can bake a pie. That's right, delicious pie. Got to find the eggs, some flour and some cheese, turkey and cranberry. Oh, the cashier says cash or charge, please. Okay, the house looks kind of messy, says Cookie Monster. That's okay. Let's make it nice and neat. Then everything will look better when we sit down to eat. That's right, that's right. Time to do the cooking, says Cookie Monster. That make the stuffing. Then let's make the stuffing first. We like to chop up the vegetables. Chop, 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 chop. But onions are the worst. They make me cry. Oh. Next, we baste the turkey. Yes, we baste it. Okay. Then we cook the peas. Okay, peas, you get cooked now. Me like to put in pepper. Achoo! Achoo! But it sometimes make me sneeze. Okay, time to set the table. Would you like to do it? Okay, should it look like this picture? See, there's nothing to it. That's right, my friends. Great job. Great job, Cookie Monster. Finally, my friends are here. Let's greet them with a smile. Smile! Yee! But not polite to eat right now, though, says Cookie Monster. Supposed to chat a while. That's right. Look at there's Bert and Ernie, and there's Big Bird and Zoe and Elmo. And look, there's Prairie Dawn. Oh, how many friends Cookie Monster has. He's so blessed. At last, it's time for dinner. All guests, please take a seat. It's delicious. It tastes delicious. Good enough to eat, says Cookie Monster. Time to wash the dishes. Me give the soap a squirt, 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 squirt. After pots and pans are all done, we get to have dessert. Yay! Now dessert's all eaten. There's no more. Take a look, said Cookie Monster. Tummy's still fully hungry. I'm still hungry. That's okay. Me going to eat this book. That's right. The end. Great job, my friends. Look, there's Cookie Monster. And what have we learned from Cookie Monster and his friends today? We learned about the joy of cooking, the joy of sharing food with others, and the joy and priceless gift of having friendship that Cookie Monster has with all of his friends at Sesame Street. That's right. Okay, my friends, be sure to have a fun-filled super day today. And be sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Big Daddy Story Time. God bless.